Intro. Right now, America is facing a silent money crisis. Not because people aren't earning enough, but because credit card companies are quietly squeezing consumers. Fees are going up, APRs are exploding, and the average American is losing $1,200, $1,800 every single year just by using the wrong credit cards. But here's the craziest part. The same credit card system that drains money from 90% of people is literally making the top 10% thousands of dollars every year. In this video, I'm breaking down what exactly is going wrong in the US credit card market, Mars, why Americans are losing money without realizing, and the three-card setup that turns the system in your favor instead of against you. Section 1, USA Credit Card Crisis. Let's start with what's happening right now in America. Average APR, 22%, 30%, highest in history. Late fees, going up. Annual fees, going up. Even beginner cards now giving less rewards. Banks cutting welcome bonuses because too many people became travel hackers. And guess who is hit the hardest? Middle-class Americans who swipe their cards daily for groceries, bills, travel, and then pay interest because they don't pay in full. USA is the world's biggest credit card-dependent country, but also the country where most people have no idea how to use credit cards properly. Section 2. How people are losing money. Here's the problem. Americans keep using debit cards, low reward credit cards, high interest store cards, wrong card for the wrong purchase. And because of that, they miss out on free travel. They miss out on rent rewards. They miss out on airport lounge access. They pay more fees than benefits. They get locked into bad APR traps. Credit card companies love this because they make billions from people who don't know how to play the game. Section 3. The top 10% play a different game. But here's what wealthy Americans do differently. They use 3 types of cards only. A card for free travel. 2. A card for daily points stacking. 3. A card for big luxury perks and airport benefits. And the result? Free flights worth $2,000 plus. Free hotel stays. Free lounge access. $695 plus in statement credits. Thousands of dollars in cashback and points. 0 interest because they pay in full. This is the strategy banks don't want the average person to know. Section 4, the 3-card system. Now let me show you exactly how smart Americans use only 3 cards to flip the system. Built MasterCard, the rent problem solver. Rent is the biggest expense in the US. Most Americans pay rent through bank transfer equals 0 rewards. Built changes everything. Pay rent with 0 fees. Earn points on rent. Transfer points to airlines for free travel. Cell phone protection. No annual fee. This card alone saves Americans $500, $900 year that they were losing for decades. 2. American Express Platinum, the luxury and travel card. This is the rich people card, but actually smart users get more value. $695 fee, but $200 airline credit. $240 digital streaming credit. $200 hotel credit. $155 Walmart Plus credit. Free Centurion Lounge access. Free Delta Sky Club selected flights. Free global entry TSA pre-check. Hilton plus Marriott Gold status. Up to $1,500 plus in yearly benefits. People think the card is expensive, but the reality is it's free if you use the benefits correctly. Chase Sapphire preferred the points multiplier. This is America's hash-owned beginner to intermediate travel card. $95 annual fee. Massive welcome bonus. 2 times, 5 times points categories. Strong travel insurance. Transfer partners, United, Hyatt, Southwest, etc. People use CSP as their everyday spend card, then redeem points at 1.55 times value inside Chase portal. This gives maximum return on basic purchases like food, gas, groceries. Section 5. How this 3-card setup saves money. Here's the real math. Average American spends roughly $1,500 month on rent, $800 month on food, $300 month on gas, $200 month on travel, $150 month on subscriptions. If they use the wrong cards, they lose $1,200, $1,800 per year. If they use the 3-card setup, $3,000, $5,000 year value in travel, points, lounge access, and credits. Exactly why only 10% of users make credit cards profitable. They know this system. Outro plus disclaimer. Credit cards are not dangerous. Only the wrong credit card strategy is. Use these cards wisely. Always pay in full, and you can turn the same system that charges most Americans into a system that pays you instead. If you want more US-based money, credit card and finance tips, make sure to subscribe. And remember, pay in full, stay out of debt, and play the smart game.